Welcome to this video on constructing an incircle of a triangle. An incircle is where you find the incenter, and that's the center of a circle that is inscribed in the triangle. Now this is the most complicated of the construction, so instead of trying to read through all this, I'm just going to show you the example and you can follow along. So the first thing that you're going to do is construct the angle bisector of one of the angles, and it doesn't matter which one. So remember, for an angle bisector, you're going to put your compass on one of the vertices of the triangle, and you're going to draw an arc. And then without changing the width, you're going to put your compass on where the arc intersected the side, and you're going to draw an arc in the middle, and then the same from this side. And then I'm going to connect the vertex and where these two arcs intersected. Alright, then I'm going to do the same thing with another one. I'm going to use this one. Actually, it'll probably be easier to use this one. It doesn't matter which one you use. I'm going to use this one just because this is going to overlap here. So let's see. Alright, it's still overlapped a little bit, that's okay. I'm following the same steps. Alright, then I'm going to connect. Okay, so where those two lines intersected, that is the incenter. So here's the incenter. I'm going to label it I. And then I'm going to erase all of this other stuff except for I, because you have way too much going on here. So I'm going to erase everything except for I once I get my incenter drawn. Alright, so I have my incenter. Now I'm going to draw a perpendicular line going through the incenter. And I'm going to draw it on this bottom line, but it doesn't matter which one you use, which line you use. So I'm going to put my compass on the incenter, and I'm going to extend it so that it's below the side of the triangle. And I'm going to draw two arcs, one on this side and one on this side. Now, it doesn't connect over here, so I'm just going to extend this side a little bit. So now it connects. Alright, then I'm going to put my compass here. Draw an arc. Put my compass here. Draw an arc. And then I'm going to line up this point and my incenter. Alright. So here is the radius of my circle. So I'm going to erase this other stuff now. And I'm going to use my compass. This is the center, this is the radius, to draw a circle. Now with my compass, I'm going to have to use one of these little points. Let's see. That one looks about right, so I'm going to draw a circle here. And as you can see, it touches on all sides. Alright, if you want to stop the video now and try this one, you can. Okay, so I'm going to draw an angle bisector of two of the angles. I'm going to connect. Then I'm going to do another angle. Connect. Alright, so here is my vertex. Alright, I'm going to erase everything else now. All right, and I'm going to draw the perpendicular bisector. I'm actually going to use this bottom one because it's the longest side. So arc, line back up, arc, arc, arc. All right. So this here is the radius of my circle. I'm definitely going to have to use one of these little points here. Let's see. That one looks about right. There we go.